Oops, I ordered again. Sorry, I have to break out into song. I do that almost every day, so get used to it. But anyway, I made another Hobonichi Techo purchase, and let's get right into it because I want to talk about what it is, what I'm going to use it for. So if you haven't seen my first Hobonichi unboxing, I'll leave it in the cards for you. But the first box I had, it had the logo on the sides and even in the front. It said Hobonichi Techo 2024. I think the reason why it doesn't say it on here is because I didn't order a planner. I'm assuming since I didn't order a planner that I didn't get any freebies as well. So that's totally fine because I already have the mini tote bag right here where I put GG in. And I also have 2 of the pens, so I don't need any more. Okay. What did Char order this time? Yeah, I didn't get any freebies. Look! Okay. So, I got the A5 cover. Oh my gosh, and it's in the gingham pattern. I also love checkered, so it's gonna match my phone really well. So if you're wondering, what am I gonna be using this cover for? Well, if you did watch my first unboxing, I bought a Hobonichi Hon, but I mentioned that I'm going to be using that one for my morning pages next year. So obviously I'm not going to share that on this channel. And towards the end, I mentioned that since I'm not going to be continuing the Hobonichi content next year, that I'm going to continue journaling in a regular sketchbook. When I uploaded that video, I also posted a poll on my community page asking you guys which sketchbook I should use for my art journaling next year. So I had 2 choices. The first one was the Leuchtturm 1917 sketchbook, and the other one was the Stillman & Birn sketchbook. And the majority of you guys voted for Stillman & Birn sketchbook in the beta series, which I'm really happy about because I love the paper quality more than Leuchtturm. The only reason why I love Leuchtturm is because it has the gusseted pocket in the back, as well as bookmarks and the elastic band. I love those little elements to a sketchbook. And since the Stillman & Birn didn't have it, I had to think of a solution. And this is what I came up with, which honestly, I wish I had thought about this years ago. I would have gone crazy with buying covers for all my sketchbooks. But yeah, I got this one. So for next year, I'll be using the Stillman & Birn sketchbooks. And I initially thought about buying a completely new one. You know, Char from like 5+ years ago would have been like, hell yeah, I'm gonna go buy a new sketchbook. I'm gonna start off fresh. But present Char, she does not want to be a sketchbook hoarder anymore. So what I decided is I'm going to continue with this moment diary, which I won't be calling it moment diary anymore. It's just going to be called Char's diary. And if you've been following me for the past year, I called my vlog series Char's diary, and I'll get more into that later. The last entry in the sketchbook was from December 28th, 2017, okay? And usually past Char would be like, oh, there's just like this 5-year gap. I think it's just weird to continue on, you know, in 2023, blah, blah, blah. But present Char is like, you know what would be so awesome? If you completed this art journal. Sure, whatever, it's been 5 years since you've last filled it out, but you can continue on and fill it up with so many beautiful memories. Oh, also, I got this as well. This plastic sleeve. Look how much bigger the pockets are compared to my A6. Holy moly, I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, yay! I'm so happy. I swear, How did I not think about doing this years ago? Like, my sketchbooks would have been so much prettier. Is that the center? Oh my gosh. I mean, obviously there's a little bit more space here, but I don't mind that. I need to move it a little bit more. Okay, that's the only thing. I need to center it with the bookmark. Oh my gosh. There you go. OMG. So now I can put a bookmark from where I last left off at. And then you got plastic sleeve. I'm actually going to put stickers on here, so I'll do that towards the end. I'll just take this out of the plastic. Look how beautiful it is. Like I said, I'm gonna be calling this Char's Diary. I'm gonna put the title here. My vlog series is called Char's Diary, and if you notice, I haven't been vlogging over the past few months. It's because I just haven't been in the mood to vlog. I watch vlogs from other people, I enjoy them, but for me to actually go out there and vlog and talk in front of the camera, it's still uncomfortable for me and awkward, and I don't know, I just don't enjoy it as I used to. Even just vlogging around the house, I don't enjoy it at all. One thing that I've been practicing a lot this past year is truly being in the present moment. And I owe it to the fact that I deleted my Instagram almost a year ago. I deleted it last year in December. Well, I deactivated it, but yeah, it's been about a year. And you know, when you're on Instagram, you post on your stories, you post little things throughout your day, you know, photos, quick videos. And I used to do that, and I feel like I used to not overshare, but I felt like I shared a lot of my daily life on there. I just don't care to do that anymore. And so for the past year, I've been practicing mindfulness and truly being in the present moment, not filming every single bit of my life, because I do value my privacy, but I also want to share some of my experiences with you guys, the things that bring me joy. And so I took the past few months trying to think of how I can go about my vlog series. And so that's when this comes in. I really want to focus on art journaling on this channel. It's something that I truly enjoy, and since I won't be doing any more Hobonichi content, I'm thinking of making Char's Diary, my vlog series, more focused on the art journaling aspect. Like, sure, I'm still gonna be filming snippets throughout my day or the things that bring me joy, but it's not gonna be in the traditional vlogging style, you know, where I'm going out, talking in front of a camera, like, oh, I'm going here, I'm going there. I just don't want to talk when I'm vlogging. I value experiencing these moments on my own where I don't have a camera in front of me at all times. Like, sure, I'll record a quick video, but I just don't feel like talking in front of a camera. I mean, like, this is different, you know, sit down videos like this, it's different. Char's Diary is gonna have a revamp for next year. The way that I envision it is having, you know, quick clips of the things that I do, the food that I eat, and then come back here and basically reflect on that day, on that trip. I think it's a lot more enjoyable for you guys if I, you know, do sit down videos like this and then share my art process with my journal. I want to share my experiences and to show that any regular day can be beautiful. For example, on this day, I was really happy because of these dark chocolate covered almonds from Costco, and I documented that. So just little moments like that, like even if it's just waking up in the morning and hearing the birds chirp outside, like that's a moment that I want to capture. You know, those moments, honestly, I feel a lot of people take for granted. We are constantly on autopilot. We move through the world and we're so used to doing things a certain way that we don't take a moment to focus on the flowers, focus on this beautiful weather, the wind rustling through the trees, and people watching and wondering, like, I wonder what this person's career is. You know, it's just fun to think about. And so that's what I really want to do with my art journaling videos, is to encourage you all to practice mindfulness and to truly appreciate your life every single day. I will constantly preach about this because it's so important. And doing this for many years, honestly, since I started this channel, I have become a lot more aware of everything around me. And even though I go through certain emotions and I may have struggles and doubts, fears, and whatnot, I still make it a point to focus on the little things in my life, because those are what give me more meaning to my day. So yeah, I'm really excited to continue filling these pages and sharing my experience with you all. I love inspiring people to truly love their life, you know? And I know a lot of us are struggling right now, especially with what's going on in the world. I want this to be a reminder. I want to encourage you all to do the same. Even if you're not an artist, just keeping a journal, writing about your favorite moments throughout your day, or, you know, putting photos of the people that you love and talking about different restaurants that you go to with all the delicious food. Like, it's so important that we focus on these things. But before I end this video, I want to decorate my cover with you all. So let's get to it. I don't know what stickers I want to add on here. This one, let's see. This one has a lot of nice reminders. You got this. Be your own kind of happy. First of all, let's write Char's diary. I don't know if I have any sticker labels left. I hope I do. Oh, come on. Yes. So I bought these sticker labels from Target. They come in a pack. So I'm gonna use my Sharpie. Trying to think if I should write it in cursive or Let's try all caps first. Ugh, it's off center. The only thing about the Sharpie pen is that it bleeds. Yeah, let me use a different pen. This one is not the business. I'll use this Copic multi-liner. I think that's better. Dang, I've had this for a few years and it's still good. The ink hasn't dried out yet. Do I like that? Ugh, I'm not satisfied with it. Okay, let's try a cursive. Okay, that's much better. I like that better. It's more whimsical looking. And of course, I gotta add little stars. Ta-da! All right, that's a lot better. I love these covers because of the material. Like, see, if I put stickers, it'll be easier to take off. Do I just want to add flowers? Wait, enjoy every moment. The only thing is that with these stickers, the background is clear, so I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it. I mean, yeah, it's gonna bother me. I need to be able to read this. Maybe this. It matches the interior. You can't even see it on the camera either. Okay, I'm not gonna use these stickers. Do the enjoy every moment with this pink one. There you go. Not today. Happiness is found within. Make today a good day. These are the best days. Oh yeah, these are the best days. Where's that page? Go on an adventure. Right here. Enjoy every moment. These are the best days. Make today fun. I'm just gonna add more flowers. I should move this one. All right, now let's put the sleeve. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put some Post-it notes here on the side. Maybe I can put some sticker sheets. Oh, it's the perfect size. I love these cat sticker sheets. Let me put that there. Oh, that feels a lot better. I always buy a pack of my favorite Muji pens, and this is the last one, so might as well use this last one for Char's diary. And the great thing about these covers is that it has these loops, so you can put the pen through both to add a closure. It's official, Char's diary, and she's looking real cute. Okay. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and look forward for Char's diary revamped in 2024. But anyway, if you're excited for my art journaling videos in the future, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you all are having a great day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.